Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and today I wanted to do a simple graphic liner tutorial. You know, just something to step up your winged liner game. This one is super simple, well, as simple as it gets when it comes to doing graphic liner. Before y'all go ahead and think this is a toupee or something, I'm just having a really bad hair day and didn't know what to do. And I was painting. So yes, I hope you can look at this for the rest of the video. I wanted to do something light on the face, but then make my eyes really pop, you know? I have hooded eyes as well, so this is the perfect tutorial if you have hooded eyes and you're scared to use graphic liner because who gonna see it because of this meat. I'm going to be doing an orange and pink look, even though I have yellow on, but I don't own anything orange. And yeah, that's just where we're at right now. As always, start off with some eye primer, especially if you're gonna be partying. You need your eyeshadow and line stuff to stay in place. And eye primer helps with that. So definitely put on eye primer. After you've applied the primer generously, I use Big Word. You're gonna go in with whatever color you want. Actually, we're not doing orange, we're doing yellow. Isn't life so beautiful? Can you? I'm filming right now. Once you are happy with your eyes, so with a look like this, I would go in and do a dramatic black eyeliner. But like I said, we're going to, you know, turn it into something a little bit different, but at the same time simple with graphic liner. So I'm taking the Water Ink Atomic by Melolops. I swear to you it's pink. For graphic liner, you just want to use one of basically a paintbrush, but a thin one. This brush, and the longer or the finer, yeah, the longer the brushes are, the more detailed you can draw a line. So that's why I'm going with this one. It's just easier to control and it's gonna come out a lot better than if I used a brush that's a lot smaller. So I wet my brush and I'm gonna dip into Atomic. I'm gonna bring you in even closer so you can see how I do this. After that, I wanted to add a little bit of yellow shimmer. I'm just taking actually let's use my middle finger, and I don't know where I want it. I'm just gonna put it wherever it wants to be. Just letting my finger drive. Now I wanted to make my eyes look just a tad bit dramatic, so I'm taking a black eyeliner pencil, and I'm just gonna do the outer portion of my eye on both sides. I'm also lining my upper lash line, my water line. Just makes your lashes appear thicker. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I thought I was recording this part, but apparently I wasn't. What I'm doing is applying BB cream on my face. I'm just using my fingers. And we're doing BB cream instead of foundation because it's basically like tinted moisturizer. So since it's summertime, we want to keep, you know, we don't want a heavy foundation on. I'm also going to put a little bit of concealer on just because my bags are so bad. So I just put cream contour on, but I'm going to also apply some bronzer, some powdered bronzer, just to kind of set that cream in. I'm also going to apply just a little bit of blush since my cheeks are already red because it's so damn hot outside. Just a tiny bit. I left my lips nude and just put some lip gloss on. Now I'm going to apply highlight. I'll stick with the yellow theme and put on Retouched from the Marilia Scott Cosmetics Your Highlight is Too Bright palette. This is my simple graphic liner tutorial slash summer look. I hope you guys like it. I really like it. I think it came out really pretty, and I was surprised by how pretty and put together it looks, even though it's just one color on my eyelids and just some graphic liner. Now the graphic liner does, you know, you want to practice with it and, you know, take your time, just like a regular eyeliner. You want to go slowly. But I'm very happy with the results. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was informative, or that it at least inspired you to try out graphic liner looks yourself. It's a lot of fun, and I'm very happy with how it came out. That is all for this week's video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.